Good morning. This is the video newsletter for buysellshort.com for Sunday, December 13th. Just a fantastic day for the newsletter on Friday. We had a lot of monster winners, but let's jump into the index charts first and then we'll move on to the stock plays. Here we're looking at the Dow 15-minute chart. As you can see, we broke out of that bullish falling wedge there a couple of days ago and have been up very nicely since then. The last hour on Friday, we actually saw a golden cross on the 15-minute chart. That's when the 50-day moving average crosses up through the 200-day moving average, and it is typically very bullish, at least it has been for about the last year and a half, and typically averages about 100 to 150 points upside. So the cross happened around 10,420. So if we were to tack on our 100 points, we're at least looking for a move to the previous highs at 10,516. Also on the 15-minute chart, you can see we're about to get a positive MACD cross on the Dow, and over the last several weeks, whenever that happens on a Monday, we usually see a very nice open on the Dow. So let's see if that happens again tomorrow. Get a better picture of the market here looking at the daily chart. Here you can see on Wednesday, I had mentioned that having that up day right around the 20-day exponential uh, probably meant that we were going to see further upside in the near term. And since then, we've seen a nice little pop on the market. And this 20-day EMA support has pretty much been rock solid since the July low. So as long as this trend remains intact, up, up, and away, and the Art Cashins of the world can continue to pull crap out of the butts trying to explain why they've missed one of the biggest rallies we've seen in years. Anyway, you can see here on the Dow daily chart that we've got a rectangle formation in place. This is a very, very bullish setup. Whenever we have a setup like this, whatever side breaks, and typically it is an upside break, it is usually a very nice move. So a breakout would be 10,516, and there is really no resistance until the 10,900 to 11K mark, if you can believe that. So the stars are pretty aligned for them to give us one monster of a Santa rally here. Whether they do remains to be seen, but a couple of positive things over the last couple of days. This rally that we've seen in the market has actually come with the dollar being up, and you will recall about a week or so ago, I said that we needed to see the market be able to go up with the dollar going up, and so far, so good. That is exactly what we're seeing. And the dollar looks very, very bullish here right now. So, about time for those gold bugs to get slapped back, and that trade of dollar down, market up, dollar up, market down trading strategy to go to the sidelines, at least for the near term. Back to the daily chart, just looking at some of the indicators. On balance volume, very, very strong. Love seeing the stochastics bounce back up through 50. Again, very strong. We've also had ADX do a positive cross, and we're looking at another positive MACD cross coming on the Dow possibly in the next day or so. And each time we've seen a positive MACD cross, we've seen some nice upside in the coming days. So things look very, very good here on the Dow. Just one cautionary thing, we do have options expiration upcoming this Friday. Typically, when we've been very bullish or seen very bullish moves into options expiration weeks since the July lows, they've essentially blown the puts out of the market and just kept jamming the market. So let's see if that continues again this week. As for stock plays, we were just on fire on Friday. HYTM 60% winner, just a monster move. You recall the email I sent out with the research on the stock. The CEO of HYTM gave an interview on Thursday where he said the company was in advanced talks and about ready to sign a deal with Blue Cross Blue Shield, and several other healthcare providers. And as I mentioned in the alert, the reason for this is there's a new federal mandate that goes into effect January 1 where healthcare plans have to provide drug abuse coverage, and there aren't a whole lot of companies that actually do that. HYTM, that is their niche. Back in September, this stock went from 24 cents to a dollar plus over the course of a week, and that was just on a very tiny deal with Ford to do drug abuse help for Ford Motor Company. So you can imagine why we were very high on this one here, just judging by the fact that the CEO said A deal with Blue Cross was coming. If we get news in the next couple of days, there is no reason why we can't see a test of the $1 level. We almost hit our first target area of 55 to 60 cents on Friday, and we should see nice follow through tomorrow and Tuesday, especially if there is more news. So hold on. I believe the stock has a hell of a lot more upside. Look at our other play from last week, SNSS. This is a stock that we were buying around 30 to 33 cents. It hit 240 plus on Friday. That is a 700% gain in under a week from the initial call. So these stocks are poised for a big move. I've been saying for the last couple of weeks, get ready for small cap momentum, and it looks like it has arrived. Another nice winner we had on Friday was BNVI. This is a biotech company. We tagged this one a few days ago at the 33 to 35 cent area. Hit went as high as 49 cents on Friday. First target was hit. Next target is a move to 60 to 65 cents on this one. RSI up through 50. Positive MACD cross. Well, actually, it already had positive ADX cross, and stochastics coming out through the basement, and on bounce volume just spiking. So, biotechs have been hot. Like every other small cap craziness we've seen, biotechs lead, small cap biotechs lead. You see stocks like SNNS, et cetera, just go up massive percentages, and then that spills over to the other small cap penny stocks. And I believe this week we will see the non-bio micro caps catch fire. ENCO is one we've been tagging for the last couple of days. We added more on Friday, and into the close I had a very nice spike. This is really the last of the under 30 cent biotech type plays. Stock has been just walked down and beaten up over the last month. Breakout is a move above the 20-day exponential at 31 cents, and we're looking for a move at least to the 50-day moving average at 38 cents. So 38 to 45 cents is target on this one. All the indicators are just waiting for an excuse to move here, and the small cap, penny cap momentum is here right now. And we could see a very nice move on this one over the next couple of days. NEXM, another big winner for us. We are tagging this one down here around the 22, 23 cent area a week ago. Went as high as 40 cents on Friday, 75% gainer. Can't argue with that one. Would again be looking to add dips under 30 cents here. But again, we've booked most of our gains on this one, and we'd be looking to add back scalp positions on dips here. But, further proof that the penny caps are here, listed penny caps, like NASDAQ and Amex stocks and NYSE. ULU, this is an Amex biotech stock. Last, really, other than ANX, left under 30 cents that have any sort of decent look to them. These guys were presenting at a conference late Friday night, so we could see some press tomorrow morning, which would light this one up on a break of 16 cents. We'd be looking for 20. RSI is breaking up through 50. We've got a positive ADX cross about to come, and indicators look really good. And again, there are very few of these plays. You're going to see traders hunting left and right for stocks under 30 cents in the next few days, especially if this market continues to go higher as we expect. Last but not least, we've got SLTC. This is one of my favorite micro caps that is left right now. These guys are trading $6 million under their cash balance. They've got $18 million in cash, $12 million market cap. Breakout is the 50-day moving average at 29 cents. Target is a move at least to the 200-day moving average. That's at 36 cents. RSI about to break 50. Positive MACD cross on Friday. We've got stochastics in a nice uptrend and about to break 50. And again, this is a quality micro cap that is just looking for an excuse to move near term, and I believe this should be its week. So again, very nice week for us this past week, and we should continue to see the micro caps do very well in the coming days. Hytem, ENCO, and ULU, and SLTC are my favorites going into this week, and we should see some very nice gains in them tomorrow. That's it for the video. See you guys in the chat room. Goodbye.